The Bloomingdale School celebrated its Christmas Carnival 2024 on Sunday, December 22nd. It was a day full of fun and masti, not only for the youngsters but even for the older lot. We had children in the age group of 2 years enjoying the carnival. We also had elders in the age group of 80 plus enjoying the carnival. This year we decided on not only having swings and games for the children but giving them a platform, because Bloomingdale School believes that every child deserves a stage where the child can showcase his or her talent, and that being the crux of our school, we gave that platform to children in the age group of 2 to 12 years. The school organized 3 kinds of talent hunts for the children. One included the fancy dress, in which our toddlers gave a message on how to save nature. The parents' efforts were clearly visible in the costumes made by them when the child walked the ramp and showcased how we could save nature. Heartiest congratulations to each and every parent of the toddler group for putting in so much of effort. This was followed by the art competition, again in the age group of 3 to 12 years, and we again had themes for the children. The children were given shape art to color. The children made beautiful sceneries, and the senior lot worked on a theme again of saving nature and stopping pollution. Each and every artwork was a masterpiece, and it was a very difficult task for us to select the best, because each and every masterpiece was the best. This was followed by another event which we basically aimed at boosting the confidence of the children. This included recitation for the little ones and the elocution for the senior lot. In the elocution, the children spoke about space, the galaxy,
आज मैं आपको स्पेस पर गैलेक्सी के बारे में बताती हूँ.
and India, our pride.
Essence of Bharat lies in its unity and diversity.
These were the topics given to the senior lot. The little children spoke beautifully on topics like my school bag, a visit to the zoo, showcasing the different kinds of animals they are able to witness in the zoo. And the tiny tots recited beautiful poems in Hindi and English, winning the hearts of each and every member present there. The special attraction of the day was the platform given for the dance. It was a freestyle dance wherein children gave beautiful dance performances. Again, as the principal of the Bloomingdale School, I would like to thank and congratulate each and every parent who participated in this event. Your efforts were clearly visible as your children walked the ramp, danced on the stage, or even recited poems or spoke on particular topics. The BDS family was honored to have eminent guests in the carnival. We had Mrs. Kavita Jetli, an eminent and passionate educationist with more than 30 years of experience in the field of education.
Special thanks to my Ruchi, who is taking care of such a big lot over here. So once again, 3 cheers for Bloomingdale.
We had Mrs. Subhi Jain, a homemaker turned communication expert and a TEDx speaker.
कि पौधा जितना ज़्यादा ऊपर दिखता है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा उसकी नींव जब मजबूत होती है तभी वो ऊपर दिखाई देगा. And making your kids stand on stage, giving them the confidence is very very important, क्योंकि अगर confidently बोलना है तो उसके लिए बोलना पड़ेगा.
Mrs. Preeti Tripathi, an army officer's wife and a parenting coach.
I was making video of the girl, but suddenly I turned the camera towards mom because she was so happy seeing her daughter dancing, and I saw her jumping and dancing. It was such a lovely moment for me.
Mrs. Sonia Ved, a homemaker and an entrepreneur. Mrs. Aparna, who is an eminent and versatile Kathak dancer. And Mr. Rishi Tiwari, who's not only a dancer but a producer, a creative director, and who's into filmmaking.
जितनी एक्टिविटीज हो सकती हैं सबने डाला, and that is the result. हाँ, आज मैं मुझे याद हो कि आज फिल्म डायरेक्शन, ओके, दिस इज व्हाट, क्योंकि मैंने इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज की है अपनी लाइफ से बचपन से.
We look forward to the parents again putting in the same efforts, coming back to us next year. Next year we plan to get in some more activities wherein we will try our level best to give those platforms to those children who are looking forward to such kind of achievements. Our school is dealing with children in the age group of 3 to 5 years, which are the most crucial years of a child's life, and we aim at giving them the roots to grow and wings to fly into a new India. The Bloomingdale School is thankful to all the guests who took out time from their busy schedule to be a part of Christmas Carnival 2024. Your presence made the event more sparkling and more bright. Thank you so much for coming and blessing all our children. Our parents were excited to see their children getting blessings from such eminent guests. We look forward to seeing our guests again in the future to bless our children.
Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a very happy and prosperous New Year. God bless you all. Thank you.
So looking forward to seeing you all next Christmas with more fun, more masti. Merry Christmas to you all. God bless you all, and wishing you all a very, very happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you so much for your gracious presence.